Alright guys, we broke out our Testo 320 here, our combustion analyzer. We actually walked in with our Testo CO detector, and we looked pretty good on that. It didn't go off at all. But guys, this is what I'm saying. This combustion analysis needs to be done on every single furnace, and we're on a 1999 Goodman 70,000 BTU gas-fired furnace here. And as you can see, look at our stack temperature there, guys. That's excessive. We're over-firing. And this right here, without this, we're not going to actually know that we're over-firing. So basically, everything else looks pretty daggone good. I always bring in a cheat sheet with me, and so I can actually go by what I need to be seeing here. And we basically have efficiency 80 to 92%. Oxygen should be between 7% and 9%. Carbon dioxide should be in between 6.5% and 8%. Our stack temp, there we go, should be in between 325 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're running at 440 degrees Fahrenheit here. So everything else looks pretty good other than our stack temp here. So basically I'm going to have to get in here and dial it in. So anyway guys, that's what I was saying. This is one tool that everybody needs, no matter what brand it is. Everybody needs a combustion analyzer. So let me get after this and I'll get back with y'all soon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk at you later. Go ahead and get my print out here.
Combustion